Beta, our next topic is the Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. As beta here in this map, you can see these arrows are indicating the arrival of monsoon winds in India. As you can see, these winds are moving from southwest direction, entering in India from southwest direction. So that is why in India these winds are known as southwest monsoon winds, and these winds are termed as monsoon winds by the Arabian traders. Arabian traders, those who were sailing their ships along with the movement of these winds, and they were reaching to the Indian subcontinent, and they were the first people, those who have noticed that when these winds enters in India, these winds bring a good rainfall in India. So that is why they have given these winds a name, monsoon winds. Okay, so this was the name of the origin of monsoon winds. Now let us discuss the mechanism of monsoon. What are the factors which work behind the mechanism of monsoon? So basically the monsoons are experienced in the tropical areas roughly between 20° north and 20° south of the equator. And to understand the mechanism of monsoon, these 5 facts work behind, okay, behind the mechanism of monsoon, that we will learn or understand with the help of diagram and map. Here you can see this is the diagram of the revolution of the earth around the sun, and at this time earth takes 4 major position. Here we are going to discuss the first position, that is the summer solstice. Here you can see this during the summer solstice the Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays from the sun, and as you know that Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of the country, so that is why in India this is the summer season. And according to the first fact of Indian mechanism of monsoon, that is the differential heating and cooling of the land and water. So as you know that land heats up easily and cools quickly. At this time over the Indian landmass there is a summer season, and due to this there is a creation of, because the landmass gets heat up easily, and there is a creation of low pressure area. And as you know that India is a peninsular country, so surrounding water bodies, as water takes time to get heat up, so there is a creation of high pressure area. According to the second fact, shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone. Now here you can see this is the intertropical. The second fact says shift of position of intertropical convergence zone. Beta, first of all you have to understand what is intertropical convergence zone. This is beta the area where is a broad trough of low pressure in equatorial latitudes. This is the area where the northeast and southeast trade winds converge. Okay, this convergence zone lies more or less parallel to the equator, means approximate 5° north and 5° south of the equator, but with apparent movement of the sun, but it shifts as per the movement of the sun. So here in this figure you can see, as already I told you, this is the summer season in India, and at this time the Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays from the sun. So that is why there is a shifting of ITCZ over Ganga plain. Ganga plain lies between roughly आपका 25 to 30° north latitude. So there is a low pressure area, creation of shift of ITCZ, and there is a creation of low pressure area. The third fact says the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar. Beta, now here you can see this is the east of Madagascar, and here there is a creation of high pressure area. And there is a over the Indian subcontinent there is a creation of low pressure area. And